Okay, so just on the last couple of examples, and this is probably going to be some review for you guys. Remember that a horizontal line, when you graph a horizontal line, the equation of a horizontal line is y equals some number, right? What does that look like? Well, if I think of the xy plane where this is x and this is y, whatever that number is, like let's say that this is at 2, so that would be like y equals 2, because I'm going to go up 1, 2 spaces, and that's a horizontal line. Now, another type of special line that we'll talk about today is a vertical line. And so for vertical lines, those look like this. The equation of a vertical line is x equals some number. So if I were to draw a vertical line here, that equation would be x equals, not 2, it's 1. X equals 1 because I only went 1 unit over, okay? So now I have a question for you guys, and I want you to think about how you answer this, okay? So which of these equations is parallel to the x-axis? Okay, so I'm going to write these equations down. You tell me which one you think it is. So I've got x equals 5. I've got y equals 1 over x. I've got y equals x. And I've got y equals 5. And keep in mind, when you graph these, only one of these will work, but what we're really interested in is when we graph it, which one is, and I know this is not drawn perfectly, but this is what it looks like in your guys' notebooks, which one of these is going to be parallel to the x-axis? Well, it's going to be y equals 5, because remember, y equals a number is a horizontal line. So if I were to graph y equals 5, I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to draw a horizontal line like this. And that is the graph of y equals 5, which is normally, if I were to draw this properly, would be parallel. Let me draw this a little better for you guys so you can see that it's parallel. Would be parallel to the x-axis. So if I draw my line a little better, it's parallel, okay? Now the reason that works, and if we look at the table of value, it doesn't matter what my x value is, my y value will always equal. So if I say -1 for x, my y value is 5. If I say 0 for x, my y value is 5. And if I say 3 for x, my y value is 5. So this point, and what did I say? 3, 1, 2, 3. This point, y always equals 5. Okay? Are there any questions on that?